Welcome back to House Hunters Italy. Today, in association with our friends at Go On Lab, Sicily. Today's beautiful properties are situated in TUSA and Castel di TUSA, which has a magnificent beach and is approximately 1 hour from Palermo in northern Sicily. Today's first property is situated in the heart of beautiful TUSA, is fully restored and is 240 square meters of living space. The ground floor consists of an entry hall, a large garage and a very large ground floor bedroom. Here we're entering into the garage space, which is ample, could easily be cleaned out to fit a large car or perhaps 2 small cars. It has a very large garage door. And then we enter into the ground floor bedroom, which could easily be a games room or whatever kind of room you actually need on the ground floor, but it's ample and it does have a lovely balcony out on the back side of the house, which was closed. And then we enter back out onto the corridor and let's go to the next floor. We now find ourselves on the first floor, which consists of a storage area, a large bedroom, a bathroom and a large living space. So firstly, into our first bedroom here, which is light and bright, as you can see, and has the prettiest of balconies, which has a lovely vista out over the village, the rooftops and even out to the Aeolian Sea. What a wonderful bedroom view. This room is really large, has plenty of space for all of your furnishings. What a pretty spot in the village. That's a very large wardrobe there. And as you can see, the floors are in excellent condition. This entire home was restored as an imperfect condition to live in. We make our way across the corridor into the first of our bathrooms. Again, these bathrooms are relatively new, though this one needs finishing off, just a few final touches, but is in perfect livable condition. And here we have a very large, bright light. Look at those lovely double doorways out onto little balconies in 2 directions in this case, out onto the little streets of TUSA. The little side walkway here, another balcony, which you could fill with pots of flowers. They all have shutters, as you can see. And again, those beautiful floors. Now to the second floor, which consists of 2 smaller single bedrooms, a very large living space, and a storage space, but we might turn that into something else, I think. Here's the first of our single rooms. They are good sized single rooms. They'd make excellent children's rooms. They are both light. They have lovely windows, off a little separate corridor, back to our central corridor area with our stairs. And then in front of us we have what they call a ripostiglio or storage room, but is identical to the bathroom below. So because of the plumbing being there, I would turn that into an additional bathroom so that each level has a bathroom. Here we have another large living space. Those shutters are closed, but again all of these rooms have beautiful light in them. And this room once again has another one of those lovely little balconies, which again gives you gorgeous village views, lots and lots of sunlight. This home has beautiful breezes running through it. And again, as we turn around, wonderful glimpses again of that gorgeous blue Aeolian Sea. Then finally we reach the third floor, or the top floor of the building, which consists of a kitchen, a dining, 2 terraces and a laundry conservatory. The first room we're entering into is what they consider to be the dining room, but of course these spaces can be used however you like. Coming out from there onto this gorgeous first terrace, and look at these wonderful vistas over TUSA. You can see the campanile of the church looking out towards the mountains. It really is beautiful, and coming straight off the dining room like that, I would have another little seating area out here for certain to take coffee, eat your evening meals, though you will see the other terrace on the other side has magnificent views. And here we have a small conservatory room, which they are currently using as a laundry, and they do have some storage in there, but with that cleaned out, you could use this for whatever you like. But laundry is a great space, and being covered, you can hang things when it's raining. Back in through that dining space and across the corridor, we then enter into the bathroom on this level. And again, a lovely bathroom which is fully finished, very new, is fully equipped. You can see someone has been living in there. It really has everything you need. A little window there going out to the conservatory area for light. I would probably change and make the shower slightly bigger myself, but that's just personal choice. More storage. And then we walk across into the eat-in kitchen, which has a fireplace, as you can see. It is fully equipped, is a lovely timber kitchen, and has the second of the beautiful terraces coming straight off it. And look at these views from this wonderful terrace. I can see myself sitting there for hours on end. That would be the best place to sit out and take your evening aperitivo, that's for certain. And I would have pot plants everywhere and make a lovely little garden there for sure. We're now returning to street level at the front of the beautiful palazzo. And on street level, or lower street level, we have 2 cantinas and a little corte or courtyard, which unfortunately was not filmed because it was locked that day, and the person showing, my colleagues, did not have the correct key. But they can go back and film it for you at any time if you wish to see it. So here we have the steps down to where the 2 cantina doors are. Again, one of the cantinas was locked and they didn't have the right key with them. But you can see into one of them, which was open. It has barred doors on the front, so you can leave it open for airflow. The timber doors are inside. Ample space in there, as you can see, for your lovely wine barrels, all of your wine, storage of anything you want to keep cool. The perfect cantina. We've now travelled 10 minutes down the road to the magnificent seaside suburb of Castelluza with its wonderful blue flag beach. This is a wonderful part of the township where you have incredible places to eat, to shop, this incredible stretch of blue flag beach that is full of people in summer, as you can imagine. When we were there, it was filmed during a quieter time, but it was equally as beautiful. You can eat pizza by the beach, you can sit and watch the sunset. It is truly gorgeous. Can you see yourself here? Today we are visiting number 28, as you can see. This is the entry from the little, very, very darling back street of Castelluza. I've often walked down this street. It's so quaint and beautiful, but you will see this apartment goes all the way through to the opposite side as well. So we're entering through into the common area. There are 2 apartments off this little entry, and we are going through the doorway on the left. This apartment is new and fresh and clean and absolutely move-in ready for your holidays. The moment that you step inside this apartment, you can just tell that it's going to be perfect. Here's the first of our bathrooms. I love these sea blues. We are right by the sea, of course. So look at this. They have their washing machine, a lovely laundry tub, bidet, toilet, a very good size shower with a rain head, and a really lovely marble vanity. This is all modern, it's fresh and new, as you can see, not a thing to do. In the entry hall, you have a very good size ceiling to floor storage space there. You can keep lots and lots of things in there. And then you just have 1, 2, 3 little steps up into this really good sized eat-in kitchen. Now this is not your only living space. This is just the first of the living spaces. Light and bright, as you can see, with a really gorgeous brand new kitchen, and it's fully equipped. Lovely tiling patterns on the floor there, double sink. I think it's a 5-burner cooktop, full oven, lots and lots of storage cupboards. Lovely light. This doorway here, which wasn't open, takes you to a little veranda, a closed-in veranda. Now again, that could be used for hanging washing on a rainy day, for sitting out on a winter's day. Off there you have your second bathroom, again a brand new bathroom, beautifully equipped once again with a little window for aeration. Again, a lovely size shower with rain head. These rooms are beautifully finished, and that's a wonderful bonus to have the 2 bathrooms in a home like this. So it's simple, it's clean, it's new. You can decorate it however you wish. That is the way down to the lounge room, and off we go. Immediately off to our left, we have the first of our bedrooms. Again, a really good size bedroom with a large built-in closet, plenty of space there for storing your clothes. Again, all freshly painted throughout. I do believe this apartment comes fully furnished, but I will check that for you. Again, it has access onto that little covered veranda, which is bringing a lot of light into this room. Lovely neutral flooring throughout. This is a blank canvas, this apartment. You could do whatever you wish. Now, I love this long corridor space where I would probably fit in a lovely long desk and have my computer sitting there. But then we come across now to the main living space. So as I said, apart from that big eating kitchen, you have this beautiful light bright with air conditioning on the wall. You have this lovely bright room with lots of space for furnishings. I would probably put a sofa bed in here for extra guests. Perhaps that is a sofa bed, I'm not sure, the one that's sitting there. And then we have the second bedroom off the lounge, which is a single room in this case. But between the large bedroom, this bedroom and a sofa bed, plenty of room to have a couple of friends around, another large size closet, and a beautiful added bonus off this bedroom is this charming balcony, which is now looking out over the little piazzetta. That red roof you can see down on the level, ground level, is the most gorgeous little restaurant which David and I ate in several times when we stayed. Fantastic food, incredible prices, always buzzing, and it's open all year round. Gorgeous views out of Castelluza there all the way around. Can you imagine sitting and looking out at this? And it means you just step out your door and within literally 2 minutes you're on the sand. It's also about a 5-minute walk to TUSA train station, which is fantastic. You can jump on the train, be in Cefalù in 15 minutes, be in Palermo in just under an hour on a very fast train. So fantastic for anyone that wants to come on a holiday, leave their suitcases here and walk, catch trains everywhere. Again, back into the lounge room, you have the second of the very sweet balconies, again over that same wonderful sea view. How beautiful is that? If I had the money sitting in my bank account now, I would be grabbing this in a second. For further information, please contact us on House Hunter Sicily at proton.me or jump on our website househuntersitaly.com. Thank you so much for watching, giving us a like, and please subscribe. See you next time.